This is absolutely mind-blowing, right? So I have Manus here doing an SEO index audit, an SEO audit for donhowardconstruction.com. You can see the computer over here, read and analyze the uploaded content, right? So I went to ChatGPT, had it, kind of do its thing first, and then based on that, come up with a prompt that I could use specifically for Manus, right, as an AI agent that will do these kind of things, right? So you can kind of see, read and analyze the uploaded text file. So here's live what it's doing. Manus is working, executing. Okay, so these are the same thing over here. So I can put this down here. We can come back here. So it's at live, and you can kind of see what it's doing here. Perform a content for him. So web audit. So editing, updating plan, to do. So this is amazing, right? Editing file to do.md. Jump to live. All right, so you can kind of see what it's doing here. Objective: perform a comprehensive SEO audit, identify gaps, and provide actionable recommendations to improve local search visibility, indexing, and authority, particularly for high end. Okay, so it just jumped in here. Okay, the Search Console mobile-friendly testing tool retired. Okay, interesting. So it's searching Google mobile-friendly test. So it's learning how to do a mobile-friendly test on donhowardconstruction.com, right? So smallseotools.com. So you can see here, it's actually navigating to this website for us, and it's going to do the analysis for us. So it's typing it in right there. Yeah, you can't really see it because it's small. I don't know how to make this bigger. Minimize, use Manus's computer. Yeah. Anyways, so it should be clicking here, right? Allow, is that okay? So it needs to pass the captcha. Can it pass the captcha? Interesting. I'm not sure if it can pass this captcha. That would be crazy. If it's able to pass the captcha, like, do I need to take over and do it? Let's see what it does. This is crazy. So, can Manus solve captchas? Do I need to take control in this instant and click on these things? And then give it back control? I've never tried that. Clicking element, what is it doing? So, I wish I could make this bigger. Interesting. So, is Manus able to do? So do I need to take control here? I mean, I would think that Manus should know whether or not to, what to do, and it should give me back, or it should tell me, like, hey, by the way, waiting for user. What does it say here? Uh, oh, I encountered a captcha, right? This is what I was thinking. I cannot solve the, would you like to try find, or would you like to prefer to, well, I mean, can't I take control and do this? All right. So this is what I was saying, I should be able to, okay, so we're going to click on this, and then I can solve the CAPTCHA, right? So select all images with a bus, right? So right here, and then right here, and then they know whether or not you're a human based on the way that you click, right? So it's not even necessarily how you solve the images, it's how you click on the stuff. They know whether or not it's automated, which is fascinating. So here you can see this is the Manus computer, and now there's no more buses. Oh wait, no, that's a trailer. So let's click on verify. Okay, select all the motorcycle, right? Like next. Okay, bicycles. Let's try this one. Okay, motorcycles. Next. Okay, see, so it's really testing me, this CAPTCHA, because it probably knows that Manus is automated. So let's okay. Bicycles. Heck. Traffic lights. Wow, this is crazy. This is the craziest CAPTCHA I've ever done. Oh my heck. Alright, did it let me pass the CAPTCHA? Small SEO tools. So now you can see, this is fascinating, right? Okay, so loading, it's taking forever. Alright, okay, so here we go. So now we can see, okay, so close this. So this gives us a virtual machine, right, that we're able to do. This is amazing. This is really cool. SmallSEOtools.com. Anyways, so click for test. Mobile screenshot of the page about mobile friendly. Alright, so what happens if I click on it? Oh, input page speed 69%. Did it already do it? Oh. Oh, and it's just saying introduction to Lighthouse. Import your result, page speed 69%. Alright, so if I exit the takeover now, I encountered a caption. Would you like me to try it? Or would you prefer to run the mobile test yourself? It's a site verified. Okay, I solved the CAPTCHA for you. Now you can continue. Thank you for solving the CAPTCHA. I will now check the results of the mobile-friendly test and continue with the SEO audit. Holy shit. Execute required operations based on content and continue with comprehensive SEO audit action, focusing on mobile usability and remaining checklist using the browser. So now we gave Manus control back, right? So you can see over here we have our little virtual machine that it's using. And yeah, this is mind-blowing. So it says using browser, but I don't see anything happening. So, oh, Manus encountered some issues while performing this action. No need to worry, it will handle the errors on its own. All right, so let's see how it handles these errors. This is fascinating. Okay, browser encountered some issues trying to resolve. Handling browser issue. Issue undefined. Using browser. Okay. So while Manus is doing its thing too, here I can come over to ChatGPT, right? And I can say, so there's something that it mentioned, the Google Search Console, right? So updating plan. Okay, cool. Yeah, so browser encounter issue. So if I come here to Google Search Console, here's some information based on. So I was not talking my phone. See how easy it is for us to get distracted. Okay, here we go. So now we can see, in the time that I was getting distracted from my phone, Manus looks like it's fixed its browser issue. Now it's using pagespeedweb.dev. Interesting. So you can see it has multiple tabs here, browsing pagespeedweb.dev. That's really cool. All right. So typing https://downhowardconstruction.com. I don't exactly see where it's typing that in. Continuing with the execution of comprehensive SEO audit tasks. Now focusing on site speed and mobile usability using page speed insights. Interesting. So this is absolutely amazing. I mean, this is like literally like this service that it's doing right now, like is a service that we could offer as part of the business, right? So like if I come here back to ChatGPT, where the heck is all my ChatGPTs? ChatGPT. Okay. So this is absolutely mind-blowing. Manus Agent is able to do a lot of the SEO audit. How much do people typically charge for this type of service? Holy crap. See, look at this. So, basic SEO audit, right? Metadata often automated. Oh, okay. $100 to $500, manual analysis, manual keyword gap analysis, technical crawl, Google business issues, and competitor review, right? That's $500 to $1,500. Usually deep dive SEO, technical SEO, content strategy, backlink profile, schema, markup, user behavior, etc. Often requires a full action plan. Monthly SEO retainer includes the ongoing SEO audits, content creation, backlinking, site. So anyway, so that right there. Anyway, so this is right more of the blueprint, right, that we can do. And I mean, this is crazy. Would you like a clean PDF? No, that's fine for now. Wow, that's just mind blowing. Okay, so let me just pin this tab up here. So I got you right here. I don't need these ones right now. I can unpin Suno. Okay, anyways, I need to pin Manus, right? We're going to pin Manus up here. So that I have Manus and ChatGPT right next to each other. Okay, Manus encounters some issues handling browser issue. All right, so the browser is still encountering issues capturing the page state, which might prevent me from fully analyzing the page speed insight results automatically. I will attempt to view the results again, but if it fails, I may need to try an alternative method or ask you to review the results directly using the link provided in the browser address bar. I appreciate your patience as I work through these technical difficulties. All right, so how many credits have we used? We've used almost 100 credits with this, which is, fine. I'm just noticing the, or paying attention to what's going on. How much is Manus charged for this, what we're doing, all of that, updating plan. Okay, fascinating. All right, ChatGPT. So we come back here. Okay, cool. So I wonder if we can do this with O3. That's another interesting option that we can do. Okay, so, well, actually, so what I need to do is the Google... yeah, we already did that. So this is why I wanted to switch over to Manus as well, because Google indexing, right? Okay, Google Search Console. Okay, ensure the site is submitted through. Okay, so now we come back here and we say, okay. So, okay. How can I verify this part? All right, cool. So to verify if the site is submitted to Google Search Console and check for crawl or indexing issues, follow these 3 steps, right? Google search, check in, so type in Google, so site.hardconstruct. If search result, the site has been partially indexed. If no result, okay, red flag. All right, so this we already did, right? So type into Google, right? So if we do that, so it is indexed in Google, right? If we come here to Google and we just type in this, search. All right, site. There we go. Try Google. Oh, that's Google promotion, right? Okay, so here we go. Here we are getting indexed, right? Well, yeah, we knew that already. That's interesting. It has Mo uncategorized. I wonder why. So these are author admin. So these are like the blog posts. These are hello world. So I need to fix those. Okay. Because I don't think those should be popping up, right? Like, I mean, what is this? Like, what happens if I click on Mo? Is that like, okay, so like, yeah, that should not be. Okay, but here's a blog post that we can do, right? I mean, so here we can do, get a free estimate. Interesting. Estimation form. So if I click on that, what does that do? Nothing right now? Oh, well, is that because I'm in the editor? Or, no, that just does not work there. Okay, estimation form, because that links right here to the main thing. Okay, so that get free estimate should go. Interesting. Fascinating. Okay, all right, so while that's doing that, we can come back here to Manus and see what's going on. Manus will continue to ask for you working to apply. Okay, I'll say, so what happened here with Manus? I still encountering technical with a browser automation that preventing me from extracting results from Google's page site. Could you please visit using this link? Okay, and let me know what the mobile. Okay, so interesting. Yeah, of course I can do that. Okay, so analyze. All right, cool. So performance 70. Okay, so largest contentful paint. Okay. First contentful paint, largest contentful paint, cumulative shift. Okay, so here we go. Here's all this. So this gives you the tree map. This is amazing. 24,000 milliseconds. Okay. So this is the largest content painted within the export. Okay. So render delay, so eliminate, okay. Properly size images, estimated savings of, serve images in next gen formats. Okay, so right there. Okay. All right, so accessibility 89, best practices 96. All right, 77 SEO. Right, so this is okay. Links not crawlable. To appear in search results, crawlers need access to your app. All right, so search engines may use href. Attribute of anchor elements links to an appropriate destination. So more pages of that. Okay. Discover. Okay, so links are not crawlable. Elementor icon. Interesting. Okay. So past audits. Okay, it's not blocked from indexing, right? Document has a title element. Okay, so what are the so content best practices? Document does not have a meta transition. Okay. Maybe included. So which document? So past audits. Oh wait, so there's a lot on here though. Browser error logs. Okay, so DHC deck add failed to load resource, error connection failed. Why is this happening? Okay. Desktop SEO. Interesting. Okay, so performance. Discover what your real no data diagnosis. So SEO mobile. Okay, so well, so it's interesting. Okay, so overall speed index, largest content. Okay, so how can I save this link? This is really cool. Analysis, copy link, like this is cool. So, all right, so okay, and then I'm gonna come paste this into. All right, well, anyway, so I'm gonna just save this because this is 17 minutes, and I think that's good. Like, yeah, for now, but just to share, kind of like document the process of what we're doing here.